Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to learn about the topic coordinate geometry, unit 5. Okay, this topic is very useful for your 10th standard also. What is the meaning of coordinate geometry? Algebra and geometry as a bridge of coordinate geometry. Algebra and geometry as a bridge of coordinate geometry. And then coordinate geometry, x-axis and y-axis together are called coordinate geometry. Clear dear? X-axis and y-axis together are called coordinate geometry. Okay, what is the meaning of coordinate? What is the meaning of coordinate? You know very well what is the meaning of coordinate. In general, coordinate means organizing. You know very well, in our school coordinators is controlling for all the stuff. Okay, you know very well. But in mathematical, what is the meaning of coordinate? Coordinate means location of the points. Coordinate means location of the points, and another one is address of the points. For let us take real life applications. Okay, can you understand? Let us take one real life applications. You have take the starting point in your house. Imagine children, you have to take starting point in your house and ending point is the in your nearest shop. Okay, one shop. Okay, how do you go to that shop? How do you go to the shop? The starting point is in your house. Okay, first you go straight. You go straight and then turn right side and then turn right side and then again go straight and then turn right and reach the shop. Okay, imagine children, is this work every day you have done in your home. Okay, here what do you understand? In this, see this line. In this line is vertical line. This is you know very well. In this line is vertical line. Vertical line is called, what is that? Vertical line is called y-axis. Vertical line is called y-axis. Okay, and then see the line. This line is sleeping line. Okay, you know very well this line is sleeping line. The sleeping line is also called horizontal line. So horizontal line is the x-axis. Horizontal line is called x-axis. Okay. And then again this line is the standing line. Standing line is the vertical line. Vertical line is the y-axis. Vertical line is the y-axis. Okay. And then this sleeping line is x-axis. Okay. So what do you understand? In everyday life, we have to use our day by day in x-axis and y-axis. Okay, but the topic only the coordinate geometry, but the usage and all every day we have to use the x-axis and y-axis. Clear dear? Can you understand the topic? That is coordinate. Coordinate means location of the point. So we have to take 2 points and how to send that place. Okay, we have to understand this. Okay, next this horizontal line is called, the horizontal line is called x-axis. This is for one word. This is for one word. Horizontal. Horizontal line is called, what is that? X-axis. Horizontal line is called x-axis, and then another name is abscissa. ABS, abscissa. CISSA. Abscissa. That another one name is abscissa. Horizontal line is called x-axis and another one name is abscissa. And then next vertical line. Vertical line is called you know very well what is that? Y-axis. Y-axis. Okay. And then y-axis are called ordinate. Y-axis are called ordinate. Okay, this is that another name for y-axis. Okay, how to call the x-axis? X-axis are called abscissa. Y-axis are called ordinate. Okay, then and then midpoint of The meeting point of the axis. The meeting point of the axis are called origin. The meeting point. The meeting point is called origin. Okay, these three is for one word. Okay, next, since the x-axis and y-axis is divided into 4 quadrants. Okay, shall we draw the x-axis? Shall we draw the x-axis and y-axis? Okay, this sleeping line is called x-axis. So x dash and y dash. Okay, this meeting point is called, what is that? Origin. The meeting point is called origin. So 0, 0 is that origin. Okay, and then the x-axis and y-axis is divided into 4 quadrants. That is called region also. Okay, the first quadrant, this place is the first quadrant. This place is the first quadrant. So you have to write the Roman number 1. Okay, and then this is the second quadrant. This one is the third quadrant, and this place is the fourth quadrant. Next, we have to write the values for x-axis. 1 centimeter. 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter. So you have to write the values up to 5. And then opposite side is the negative value. So you have to write -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. And then upwards, y-axis is the positive values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And downward is the y dash. The downward is the y dash is the negative value. So -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Okay, dears. Now we have considered the first quadrant sign. How to write? See the x, o, y. See the first quadrant is x, o, y region. So the x value is plus. The y value is plus. So you have to write the sign plus comma plus. The first value is x value. The first value is the x coordinate. How to read the value? This is x coordinate. This value is y coordinate. So the first value is x coordinate. This is the x coordinate. This is the y coordinate. Okay, and then next quadrant, second quadrant. How to write the sign? See the x value. First we have to consider the x coordinate. So x coordinate value is negative. So you have to write the negative sign. Second quadrant for x coordinate value is negative, y coordinate value is positive. So you put the sign minus comma plus. Okay, next see the third quadrant. The second quadrant, how to say the second quadrant? X dash o y. Second quadrant is x dash o y is the second quadrant. The first quadrant is x, o, y. Okay, and see the third quadrant. Third quadrant x dash o y. Third quadrant is x dash o y dash. Okay, see the sign. See the sign. The x dash values, all the value is negative. So you put the sign symbol is negative. And then see the values y dash value, that also negative. So third quadrant sign is minus comma minus. You know that first value is x coordinate. First value is x coordinate. Very good. What is that? Second value is y coordinate value. So you have to mark the graph. Always you have considered first value is x coordinate value. Okay, and then see the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, for what is the region for fourth quadrant? What is the region? Region means this part. Okay, that is the quadrant. Region and quadrant is the same meaning. So x, o, y. Fourth quadrant is x, o, y dash. Fourth quadrant is x, o, y dash. Okay, how to write the sign? So you first see the x values. X values, all the value is positive, plus sign. X values all the one positive. See the Y dash value, all the values negative. So you put the sign plus comma minus. Clear dear? Can you understand? Okay, see, shall we repeat that? X coordinate and Y coordinate sign. The first quadrant is consisted of plus comma plus. X, O, Y. The first quadrant region is X, O, Y. The sign is plus comma plus. The second quadrant region is X dash O, Y. How to write the region? First you have to write X axis and then you have to write Y axis. So X dash O, Y. Clear? This is the region. Then sign is minus comma plus. How to write the sign? See the value, X value. Always consider the X value is first. So X value, see the X value is negative value. So we give the sign is negative symbol. And see the Y values all the one plus positive. So you give the sign is positive. Clear? And then see the third quadrant. First, which one we have to see the first? X values. X values, how is that? Negative value. So you put the negative sign. And see the Y values, how is that? That also negative. So give the negative sign. So both the third quadrant always negative. The first quadrant always positive. And then see the fourth quadrant region is X, O, Y. How to write this? Write the X value. So first X axis you have to write and then you have to write the Y. So this is the Y dash. So X, O, Y dash. This is the region. And what is the sign for fourth quadrant? They ask the question. What is the sign of fourth quadrant? What is the sign of X, O, Y dash? Means you considered X is the X, O, Y dash means this is fourth quadrant. So sign is plus comma minus. Clear dear? Now we have to plot the values. Okay, see the sums.